A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now I've sung my vows to you. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now I've sung my vows to you, and sometimes why. This morning, before we get started, I wanted to talk a little bit about the difference of my letters here. We were talking about last week how these pink ones here are my vowels. A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. But also over here I have W and R because sometimes vowels team up in a very different way. And we'll get into talking to more about that as we continue this process. But if you notice, all of the other letters are what color, my friends? That's right, they're yellow. The difference are vowels, and our yellow ones down here are called our consonants, right? And so when we start building words, specifically our three letter words, we're working on something that's called a CVC word. Okay, so here's my yellow C's. These are my C's. These dots here represent the sounds that are going to line up with our letters that are yellow. Those are our consonants, okay? And then this one in the middle is going to represent my vowel here, okay? And those are those pink letters there. So that's a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern for the CVC word, all right? We are going to take a little bit of an assessment today because I need to see where you guys are. So I am going to give you some words and I want you to write these words down. The words are going to allow me to see what kind of work you need as far as vowel work is concerned. So you're not going to utilize Vowel Heal today. You're going to utilize just what you know in your own brain. So parents, they're going to need a sheet of paper for this one so that they can write the words that I am giving them. We also want to make sure that we're not assisting them whatsoever with this assessment. I'm going to get on and look at it. It's going to give me some great insight as far as what short vowels we need to do a little more work on, and or whether or not some of our friends can go ahead and press forward into long vowels. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't want us to spend too much time on this today, but definitely want to collect some data. So our first word is had. Had. All right. Our next word is mop. Mop. Okay. Rut. Rut. Beg. Beg. Fit. Fit. Pot. Pot. Hog. Hog. And pet. Pet. Now, parents, the great thing about this video is if they need to replay it to hear the words, you definitely can do that. And I'll be looking forward to seeing the work that you guys have done, okay? Perfect.